Today we're trying something a little bit different. We previously embellished this earpods case with Paradise Shine from Serenity. Now we're going to change it over to Light Rose B, but first we need to get rid of those old crystals. We glued these down originally with Ninja Super Tight Fusion Tack adhesive, so for anyone wondering how easily they come off, not very easily at all. I had to go at this for over an hour with a combination of the Preciosa setting knife and a pair of side cutters to get the crystals off, and now we need to sand it down to get through the last of that glue so that we have a smooth sanded surface on which to place our new Serenity Light Rose AB crystals, which we keep in magic sorting trays to keep the sizes separate, and we're using Ninja Super Tight again with the help of a 10ml applicator bottle, and we're using the wax picker pencil to place our crystals on this surface, and we're using a scatter embellishment style, and we're going for full solid coverage so none of the underlying purple is going to show through. So for anyone wondering, can you re-bling an item? Yes you can, but you need a few tools from bluestickcrystals.com.